Hello students, this lecture is on introductions to software from subject software engineering, and this subject run in BTech CSE third year. Now I am going to discuss today's introduction of software engineering. The term software engineering is composed two words, software and engineering. First of all, what is a software? Software is basically a set of programs or a set of containing instructions which provide desired functionality and also comprises of data structures that enables the program to manipulate informations. That means change any informations via the programs. So, software is a collection of the programs, documentations and operating procedures. Or you can say that the component of the software is program, documentations and operating procedure. So, you know that about what is a program. Already I have discussed that what is a program. Program is a set of instructions. So, second thing is document manual, or you can say documentations. Document manual is defined in categories. First one is analysis and specifications, second is design, third one is implementations, and last one is your testing. So analysis and specifications is divided in three parts: formal specifications, context diagram and DFD, that means data flow diagram. And design is divided into flow chart and ER diagram. Implementation also divided in source code listing and course reference listing. And fourth one is a testing, is divine test data and test result. The same thing is that operating procedure is also divided into two categories: operational manual and user manual, which is operated the systems. Operation manual is defined operating system overview, reference material and beginner's guide. And user manual is defined system administration's guide and installations guide. Next thing is, what is a engineering? Engineering basically is the process of designing and building something that serves a particular purpose. Or engineering is the application of scientific portals, scientific and practicals. Scientific practicals, that means knowledge to invent, design, build, maintain and improve frameworks and process, etc. So those two words, software and engineering, defines the software engineering. So software engineering is a systematic approach to development, operations and maintenance of desired softwares. Or you can say that it is a systematic approach and disciplined approach to software development that aims to create high quality, reliable and maintain something. So software engineering having a dual roles, or you can say that categories of the software engineering. First one is as a product and second thing is as a vehicle delivering. As a product, it delivers the computing potential of hardwares and it enables the hardware to deliver the expected functionality and act as an information transformer. Information transformer, that means first one is business information and personal information. Business information is related with the query retrieved software based on market data, and personal information, for example, is salary check generations. And second thing is as a vehicle for delivering a product, that means help in creation and control of the other programs. That is the example of the best example of the operating system. Second thing is Need of the software engineering. Why we need the software engineering? So when we develop a large software, then we have need the software engineering. Second, then scalability, cost, dynamic nature and static nature. That means if you want to change any software, then you have to use these things. And the last one is a quality management. Next is what is the good characteristics of the software? Good characteristics software, that means a software product should satisfy all the following grounds. That means software product means that development, testing, code design, requirements, system analysis, system design, maintenance, or also updations. So these things also depends on these three grounds: operational, transitional, and maintenance. Operational that means budget, usability, efficiency, correctness, functionality, dependability, security, and last is safety. And transitional means portability, interoperability, reusability, and adaptability. And maintenance is modularity, maintainability, flexibility, and scalability. Now, what is the goal of the software engineering? That time the primary goal of the software engineering, first one is improve the quality of the software product, also increase the productivity and job satisfactions to the software engineers. Now, firstly, the most important question is that why software engineering is important? Then ensure high quality of softwares and enable us to building complex system software in a timely manner, and reduce the complexity, reliability, software effectiveness, handling big projects, minimize software cost. That's why we need the software engineering. What is the product, or you can say that the result and outcomes? So defines the first one is software engineer, and second is user and customers. And behalf of the software engineer, set up the programs, the content, data along with documentations, that is a part of the software. And user customer is the functionality delivered by the software that improves users' experience. And software engineering is mainly used for large projects based on the software systems rather than single program or applications. Next thing is software engineering is focused on quality and maintainability. When we improve the quality and when we improve the maintainability. Quality basically defines functionality and non-functionality. Functionality means degree to which correct software is product, and non-functionality means that features other than function of a software, like a robustness. Quality basically while software development, and maintainability after the software has been developed and delivered. And maintainability should be easily enhanced and adapted to changing management whenever requires. So software focuses on these two things. Thank you, students. If you have any query, so please ask me via comment sections. Thank you.